One of the things we hear a lot on Facebook or when we see you at events is that you're always looking for new dinner ideas, ones that are quick, tasty, and that the whole family will love. Well, here's another one to add to your arsenal of easy recipes. All we do is saute some Italian-style turkey sausage with the casing removed, along with some onions, peppers, and a bit of garlic. Once the sausage is cooked through, we add a couple of cans of diced tomatoes, a good amount of sliced mushrooms, a bit of Italian seasoning, and a touch of salt and pepper. Now we let that simmer for about 10 minutes while we cook up some pasta. As for the type, that can be anything you have on hand, maybe penne, rotini, or even bow ties. Once it's tender and we drain it, we top it with our sausage mixture. You see, the whole thing didn't even take 15 minutes. And when we pour this flavor-packed sauce with the sausage and veggies over all those nooks and crannies of our pasta, you can bet this is gonna be good. So here's what I propose. Go online and get the recipe for what we call quick as a wing pasta. And after you do, let us know on Facebook what you thought of it. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a quick as a wink way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.